Hello student, today we are solving very interesting math problem. T into 6 is equal to 6 into power 6. We're finding value of A. So this is our question. This is a 6-digit equation. This is a 6-digit equation and 6 different solutions. Now T into 6 is equal to 6 into 6. This will be T into power 6 minus 6 into power 6 is equal to 0. Now this will be T into 3 into 2. 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 minus 6 into 3 into 2 is equal to 0. Now we are using this formula: x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So this will be T into 3 plus 6 into 3 and T into 3 minus 6 into 3 is equal to 0. And now this will be our case number 1 and this is our case number 2. So T into 3 plus 6 into 3 is equal to 0 and T into 3 minus 6 into 3 is equal to 0. And now we are using formula in this side: x into 3 plus y into 3 is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So t plus 6 into t square minus 6t plus 6 square is equal to 0 after applying this, or t square minus 6t plus 6 square is 36 is equal to 0. Now our t1 is equal to minus 6. And now we are solving this side: t into 3 minus 6 into so ax square plus bx plus c So we are applying this formula: a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 36 here. Now we are using t is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After applying this, we get t is equal to minus into minus 6 plus minus v square is minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 36 divided by 2 into 1, and t is equal to plus minus 6 into 36 into 4 into 1, 4, and this minus 1 divided by 2. T is equal to 6 plus minus under the root of 36 and under the root of 3 minus 3 divided by 2, or t is equal to 6 divided 2 plus 6 into 3 and minus 1 is equal to iota divided by 2. So this cut by this cut by this. So t is equal to 3 plus minus 3 into 3 iota. And now our t is 3 plus 3 into under root 3 iota, and t minus under root 3 into under root 3 iota. And this is our t2 and 3. Our t2 is 3 plus 3 into 3 iota. t3 is equal to 3 minus 3 into 3 iota. So now again t into 3 minus 6 into 3 is equal to 0. Now we said case number 2, where we call this equation. So now we use x into 3 minus y into 3 is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. T minus 6 into t square plus 60 plus y square is 6 square is equal to 0. Now t minus 6 is equal to 0 and t4 is equal to plus 6. And now we solve this side, and this side is t square plus 6t plus 36 is equal to 0. We use formula again. T is equal to minus 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 36 divided by 2 into 1. Now we get t is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 into 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Now this will be t is equal to minus 6 divided by 2 plus minus 6 into under the root 3 iota divided by 2. This cut by this cut by this, remain 3, t is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 into under root 3 iota, and this is our t5 is equal to minus 3 into 3 iota T6 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 into under 3 eta. This is our final solution of this Olympiad math problem. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.